Sold. That thing sold for $1,000 plus fees. Wow. I can't help it, man. The bid's at like $100 and something, and you guys will understand why I'm doing this. We just won it for $150 for a Cadillac SRX. We just won it. You guys are gonna die. I'm gonna have to explain to you what happened to the Cadillac and why I just did that. Whew. All right, let's look at. Here we go. Completed vehicles right here. We owe $300. I mean, you can't beat that. $300 for a Cadillac SRX? Are you kidding me? I mean, okay, it's got some bumper damage, fender damage. It's got excellent tires all the way around. We've already looked at it. This thing is clean. Very, very clean. I'm nervous. All right, we're riding in the C6 today. On our way down to the bank to go get a money order and pick this thing up. Looks like it's going to be right around $265. So how about that? $265 out the door after fees for a 2006 Cadillac SRX that looks like it's in immaculate condition, with the exception of a fender, possibly a hood, and possibly a front bumper. The good thing is I got a black SRX. It's got all of that. We just may have to do a little painting or something. We'll see if we can find some parts to fix it. It's an enhanced vehicle, so we don't know if it runs. This is risky. You know, I've looked at it. I checked the oil, the coolant, all that stuff. Everything looks good. But at the end of the day, this is an enhanced vehicle that may not run at all. So fingers crossed, we got a hell of a deal today for $265. Let's go get her. Have a look at that, would you? Look at that. I think this may be, in fact, I'm pretty certain this is the cheapest car at $265 out the door that I have ever purchased in my life. All right, so we are here at Copart, and man, you know, I'm nervous. I don't expect for $265. I don't expect this thing to run. I don't. But I don't see, this is the thing is, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't run. The oil's good. The coolant looked good. Everything under it looked fine. Didn't look like it had any leaks. It looks like it needs a fender. Possibly a couple other things. But I mean, it looks like it really, the main thing it needs is a fender. Otherwise, it looks like it should run and drive just fine. So let's go in here. Let's pay for this bad boy. And let's drag it out here. Throw a jumper pack on it. And see if it runs. Maybe it needs a starter. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Here she comes. Ooh, he's moving too. There it is. All right, first look, now that we own it. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So the hood may need to be replaced. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. The hood might be all right. We'll just have to, boy, seriously, it took a nice hit over here, didn't it? It sure did. Let's see if we can get this hood open. Wow, the hood shocks actually work. So we've got our, oh, she took a pretty good hit in the front. I guess I didn't see this. It bent in the condenser core some. Not too bad. Yeah, I wonder if this has got frame damage. The light is broken, obviously. We might be able to put this together. I don't know. Have a quick look inside. To me, it doesn't look like it have frame damage, though. It really doesn't. I'll tell you what though, one thing I really like about it is that it is clean, it smells good, it looks good. There's the fog light that Tim went and grabbed. This thing is just really, really clean. Battery is definitely dead. I expected that. Gonna need a radio. Looks like someone... No, I did not just break that. Yes, I did. I did just break that. I'm hoping that part might be replaceable. This is nice. Got some change, a receipt. We'll go through it later. We'll go through it later. Right now, let's put a booster pack on. There's the bolts that we're missing. Some of them. The tires on this thing are just in excellent condition. Good, nice matching tires. That's locked. All right, well, let's take the key and let's attempt to fire her up. All right, let's see what she does. Sounds like the booster pack is dead. Here's the wires to the radio over here. Got some extra wires here for something, I don't know. Someone didn't do a good job taking the radio out of this. I'm hoping this back panel here is replaceable. It might be. I see bolts all through it, so I'm hoping we could replace this whole thing. This is really brittle. The whole thing is just really brittle up here. Yeah, so our jumper pack is dead. We're gonna have to figure something else out. As much as I really regret not being able to give you the first start, the reason is it's got to be after 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's 5:03. This place is closing the gates on us. We've had my booster pack on it. We've had Copart's booster pack on it. Gentleman came out here and spent 20 minutes trying to help me. Eventually, he had to go back and get 2 jumper packs to get this thing fired off. But we got her fired up now. She's running. The only light on the dash is a low tire light and a traction control light, so I don't know what that's on for. But she runs and she's in gear. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna move her real quick. We've got the front end. I'll take you outside for a quick look. We got the front end put together. There you go, we're driving. All right, she seems to be fine. I just want to make sure turning and everything is good before I try to take this thing on the road. We got the vet sitting right there. Yeah, she seems all right. Seems all right. Put her in park. Get out. I'll show you around real quick. Adjust these mirrors. Interesting. The same thing happened to my other Cadillac. These things share so many commonalities. It's crazy. So here's what we did. We zip tied the damn thing together. Is what we did. I'm not going to pop the hood, but we got a zip tie under here holding this on. We got a zip tie right here holding this. We got a couple zip ties up under here holding the bumper up to where this hood is. Hey, don't knock it. Don't knock it. It is what it is, man. She runs, and I guarantee you she's going to drive. Really runs damn good too. Really does. Got that dealer plate on there. Legit to transport to the house. Let's do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, she made it home. I mean, I don't know what else to say. This thing runs so much better. So much better. So much more power. It runs absolutely great, especially in comparison to the other one. The battery is shot. You know, that's normal. We've got to go pick another one up for 75 or 50 bucks since we got a core. It'd be like $49.99 for a battery. It does look like this bumper is probably going to have to be replaced. There's just there's some mounting brackets for this fog light down here and turn signal that are just broken out of the bumper. So I don't think that's repairable. The bumper's broken over here. Definitely needs a fender for sure. The hood I know it's dark, but the hood looks straight. I think the hood is fine. In fact, I'm about 99% sure the hood's fine. So it looks right now like a fender, a headlight, a parking light, fog light, a front bumper. That's it. Everything else under this thing seems to be good, and a battery. I know that we got one out of LKQ. I just can't remember if it was a champagne color, champagne / gold, or if it, I mean, even if it's an off color, whatever, you know, as long as it's somewhat close and it looks halfway decent, you cannot lose on this. You even if the damn thing blew up right now, boom, kapoof, gone, you're not going to lose on this. It's $265. The set of tires on it's worth more than that. You know what I mean? This is one of those deals you can't lose on. And this was a risk because this was enhanced, which means they did not guarantee that it ran, drove, nothing. But I knew because the title was from Nebraska, I was like, all right, these people maybe were traveling or something. I don't know, got in a wreck down here, and this is where this thing ended up. So I felt confident that for $265, this bad boy was going to run and drive. I can't believe nobody else bid on it. I can't believe nobody else bid on it. That's a win. That's a huge win. This is a massive win. This is probably the biggest win since that RX-8, the silver RX-8. I think that was an 05, something like that. Mazda RX-8. Some of you newer people of the channel may not remember it, but I got that thing for like $350 out the door. And with a fresh battery and a few little fluid changes, that thing fired right up. We ran and drove, sold it for like $5,600. So big win on this, man. I'm excited to get this fender changed out, at least get it tore apart. We're not going to do that in this video. I'm stoked, man. I'm stoked. I hope you guys are excited to follow along, because that's the next thing we got to do is tear it apart, go out to LKQ, get some parts, and put her back together. All right, so that's going to be it for the video. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch with me today. Thank you to my brother Tim for making these runs with me. We've been all over between Norman and Del City and Oklahoma City and Midwest. We've just been all over today. Thank you to the great people at Copart for coming out here and really fighting to get this thing running. These SRXs, man, when they set, they don't like to start back up. Now it runs and drives absolutely fine now, but to get them started after they've been sitting, it is a massive fight. I'm telling you, we spent probably an hour total fighting this thing to get it going. So if you got an SRX been sitting a while, expect to fight with it a little bit to get her going. But once they get going, man, good to go. So thank you to Copart. I also want to say thank you to Young's Towing. Had Young's Towing come out and help us out. Thank you to Young's Towing for coming out and taking care of us. They helped with the jump start. Like I said, it was a big ordeal to get this thing jump started. I think that's gonna be it. Big shout out to Mike Weird Beard Auto Sales. Check out Weird Beard. Go check out his channel. He's starting to post some videos, ladies and gentlemen. I hooked him up with some video editing software. So I think he's got the gist of it. I think he's getting the hang of it. So go check out Weird Beard. Subscribe to his channel, please, because once the cars leave from me and go down to him, you're gonna need to follow along what he's doing with them to see, you know, like the finale of this whole thing. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on all of it. So I'm going to get out of here because I got to go put a battery in this thing. That's the first thing I got to do right now. I got to go put a battery. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like this is one I may have to talk to Weird Beard about and say, man, you know, hook me up. Maybe I want to hold on to this. You're not going to beat a $265 Cadillac 4-wheel drive with good tires. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. So, you know, we'll see. I'm excited. I hope you're excited to follow along in this, I guess, repair. I want to call it a rebuild. It's really not a rebuild, but I mean, technically it kind of is, right? I mean, we're going to put some parts on it. Kind of counts as a rebuild. All right, folks, I'm out of here. Stay safe out there, everybody. Subscribe to this channel if you're not currently subscribed. Stay safe out there. I will catch you guys very soon, meaning probably tomorrow. Oh, I got to tell you about the black Cadillac. The black Cadillac. We're going to talk about that in another video. Maybe we'll do a live stream. I don't know. And we're approaching 100,000 subscribers. So many things going on, ladies and gentlemen. So many big things happening right now. And I'm so glad that you guys are a part of it. And you're helping me to make my dream come true, which is being able to spend my time working on cars, man. What man does not want to spend all of his time out here working on cars for a living? I love it. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you, I already said that, soon in the next one.